Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really great. So tomorrow I'm going to make a big purchase on one of the IPO stocks. So before that I thought of updating for you guys to follow me the same. Before that, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you'll be getting all the notification once I posted the videos that you can get benefit from. Okay, so tomorrow there is a big IPO that they're planning to launch. I'm going to put all my money into that IPO. The ticker symbol will be CVAC. The company that I'm talking about right now that is coming to public is tomorrow. The company called CureVAC. Okay, so they have the news in CNBC that they're planning to come to public tomorrow or Friday. Mostly we'll be expecting on August 13 or 14. This stock will be trading with the sticker symbol of CVAC. So the Cure VAC aims to rise up to $245 million in IPO. I will just read the stats first, then I will explain why I'm going to invest in this particular stock. So there are a lot of benefits, lot of advantages, all those things. Okay, so all those benefits I'm going to explain to you guys why I picked this stock. First of all, so the stock is going to trade between 14 and $16 at the max. So the price range will be 14 to $16 that we can expect tomorrow. This is basically pharma company, so that they're currently developing the corona vaccine. Okay, the CureVac is one of the German company. It's currently developing COVID-19 vaccine that is aiming to rise to $40 million with IPO on US Nasdaq. So previously the company have no shares in public, so we cannot buy the shares for the CureVac, but now it's coming to public with the price between $14 and $16. Okay, so the main advantage of this company, it's controlled by the SAP co-founder Dimer Hub, and also there are some funds allocated from Bill Gates Foundation. So they sponsored to this company from 2013 and 15, and also currently they are investing more with this company on the corona vaccine development. Okay, so all these things they're doing it like a Bill Gates is investing more with this company for the malaria vaccine and also for the current corona vaccines. Okay, and the thing is that it's coming to public. It's already they had a plan to come to public in July, but they postponed to August. So this month, tomorrow, they're coming to public. This company also sponsored with German Fed, and it's combined with GSK, that is GlaxoSmithKline drug maker, and it's getting funding from Qatar Investment Authority. Okay, so there are many benefits inside this IPO. Definitely, it's like a great buy for us on this company. And if you look at the company profiles over in their website itself, so they have a lot of good things to talk about. So if I go to the news event that they have released so far, the major news, if you see, on August 10th they have confirmed that they are going to public through IPO. So before that, if you see, they have announced that the company shares cannot be purchased. Okay, and if you purchase, that's kind of fraudulent activity. So there was no possibility of purchasing shares till now. So tomorrow only we can invest in this share. So there are a lot of good news with the company. If you see over here on June 15th, the German federal government invested 300 million euros with this company, and July they had a news that GSK is going to join with them for the mRNA technological collaboration, and they have a lot of fund. Investors are investing on this company. So in July they have a news of 640 million it raised from the private financing round, and like I mentioned before, Bill Gates, Qatar investment, all those things they are heavily sponsoring with this company. So it's kind of a big opportunity for us to purchase this share. Okay, so what I'm planning to do right now is, so I'll be planning to purchase this share at the opening price, and then I will plan to sell this share with 70 percentage of profit. Okay, at least I will sell 70 percentage of my shares with a profit of 30 percentage. Then I'll hold the remaining share for the 70 percentage of profit from the purchased price. So just let me know what you guys think about this company, and please update how many shares you guys purchased in the comment section. So after Friday, I will update my trading. How much I bought with this company and how much I earned, all those stuff. We'll see you guys on Monday about the update. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Take care.